So if someone is listening to this podcast and they are unsure about keeping their implants or removing their implants, what advice do you give them? Where do they start?
Yeah, I think, if we use that analogy like we did in the beginning, nobody really wants to come visit Rob in Austin and have surgery. So it's best to like silently stalk me. You can go to my YouTube channel, you can go to my podcast, you can listen to this podcast, and you just have to listen and learn as much as you can. And then for those patients who are interested in lowering their inflammation now, you can go to the website, drrobertwhitfield.com, fill out a little contact form, and they'll help you get into the system, not to have surgery, but to get opportunities to just lower your inflammation, either through support with supplementation, through our detox program, through testing. So we've opened all those things up to uh, everyone now in 2025, where you used to have to come in and have surgery with me to take advantage of those things.
That's amazing. That's an incredible service that you've given people. And so it obviously is not a decision that people should just make overnight. It's one that they need to do a lot of work through before they make this decision.
Yeah, and I'm glad you said work. So self-work is the most important thing. Like I cannot, and I am not, I'll say this, y- this is not going to make anybody, from an aesthetic standpoint better. Like you got the surgery to improve body aesthetics. This is not going to improve body aesthetics. So you have to be, from a support standpoint, working on yourself and then making sure you have a good support system, either with a partner, spouse, family, friends, whatever that system is, because you're going to need help. And there will be times when you don't feel good or you don't feel like you look good. And that's not we get too caught up in the whole body image analysis by paralysis type phenomenon of this. I interview my patients on my podcast and they talk about, how it was difficult to um, look in the mirror or how it was difficult afterwards. And a couple of them have been very, very poignant about, you know, making sure that they tell themselves, hey, you know, I love myself.